Welcome to Great Lakes Counseling Group's Introduction to Progressive Muscle Relaxation. In this exercise, I'm going to walk you through a very basic progressive muscle relaxation. The goal is to release the tension you store in your body from your stressors. Our body keeps the score. For your body to be relaxed is for your body to be free of tension. Let's begin. First, sit comfortably in a chair, on the couch, or wherever you can be upright and in a position to do the exercise. Keep your body aligned and facing forward. Put your feet flat on the ground and your arms loose by your side or in your lap. Take a quick assessment of how tense you currently feel. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is free of tension and 10 is physical pain like a headache, a backache, grinding teeth, or any other kind of major tension, choose a number that best represents your current level of body tension. The goal is to lower that number. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and count to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold it for a moment. As you count down from 6, slowly exhale through your mouth like you're blowing through a straw. Feel your body begin to soften. Take another breath in through your nose and count 1, 2, 3, 4, then exhale like blowing through a straw and count from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move your focus from your breath to your feet and feel your toes. Wiggle them. Now squeeze them tightly. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the tension from your toes. Wiggle them around. Move your focus from your toes to your ankles and point your toes. Now lift your toes towards the ceiling. Roll your ankles around and release the tension. Keep rolling, slowly and gently. Now move to your calves. Point your toes and tense up your calf muscles. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Point your thighs towards the ceiling for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let go and gently kick your legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, focus on your thighs. Lift your legs up and squeeze your thighs tightly for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your thighs and feel your legs grow heavy, gently returning your feet to the floor. Your feet feel like they're growing into the ground below you. Now focusing on keeping your hips facing forward, put your hands on your hips. From your hips, turn your upper body as far left as possible and count to 4, 3, 2, and 1, and bring your upper body back to facing forward. Again, from your hips, turn your upper body as far right as possible and count to 4, 3, 2, and 1, and bring your upper body back to facing forward. Shift your attention to your abdomen. Tighten your stomach muscles by moving your stomach in and hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently release your stomach out and feel your belly relax. Move to your shoulders. Raise them toward your ears. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and drop your shoulders down. Tense your shoulders up to your ears again for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your shoulders, rolling them back gently and slowly and around for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tense your upper back by squeezing your shoulder blades together as far as they'll go for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and gently release. Next, focus on your neck. Gently and slowly, roll your head around to the left. Then, again slowly and gently, roll your head around to the right. Bring your head back to the forward position. Take your index and middle finger and place them on your jaw muscles. Gently massage your jaw muscles for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly and gently move your lower jaw around for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Using your thumbs, Move from the middle, your forehead above the nose, along the left and right brow, from the inside to the outside, gently along the brow bone. Move your thumbs back to the space inside of your eyebrows. Gently and slowly massage your eyebrows and work the stress out from the inside down the brow lines and to the outside. Put your hands in your lap, clench into fists, hold for 5 seconds. Let them go and feel stress melt away. Make a fist, hold your arms out, palms toward the ground and knuckles up. Tense your arms up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your arms and gently put them back to your lap. Finally, focus on your facial muscles. Scrunch your face tightly. Hold for 5 seconds. Let it go and feel your face relax. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 1, 2, 3, and 4. Blow it out through the imaginary straw for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a moment now to mentally scan your body. On a scale of 1 to 10, where 1 is tension-free and 10 is extremely tense, choose a number that best represents the level of tension you currently feel in your body's muscles. Compare this number to the number you chose at the beginning of this exercise. Keep practicing until you significantly lower the amount of tension in your body. To summarize, you learn to tense and relax each muscle group. Learning to relax each muscle group will help you keep your central nervous system calm, your body's resources appropriately distributed, and your rational brain clear and in charge while you feel your feelings. Practice this exercise 3 times a day. In the morning before you start your day, at midday break time, and in the evening before you settle down for the night. Stay committed to your practice and let each session bring you closer to a state of serenity and calm. Embrace this opportunity for self-care and mindfulness as it serves to nourish both your body and spirit.